Ehumbite wega kuringana na unduire wa matereba mahenya ma ngari, President William Ruto akinyite nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya KICC kũhũra cabi mahenya maya maria maratabanio wikendi ĩno mwena wa Naivasha kaunti ya Nakuru.
3, 2, 1 and off they go. Starting the adventure.
Ni mahenya maigite a Kenya na mwihoko munene makiria wa kwendia bururi kuri mamilioni ma andu kuma thĩ yothe aria maratanywo kwirorera mahenya maya.
The surge in the numbers of visitors to our country and to the venues intensify media coverage of our country's attractiveness, and the global attention generated by WRC provides a definite and major boost to our economy, boosting incomes for local businesses, increasing direct and indirect jobs, attracting local and foreign investment in tourism, catering, and accommodation infrastructure facilities and services, thereby injecting billions of shillings into our economy in keeping with our bottom-up economic transformation agenda.
President Ruto augite mahenya maya ni kiheo kia mwanya kia Easter kuri ya Kenya na ona matuko meguka eranire kwa ndandura thiku iria mahenya maya maritabanagio.
Kenya's position as a top destination for motorsport is placed beyond debate by Safari Rally. You simply cannot find a rally as tough, compelling, beautiful, and rewarding as the Safari Rally in Kenya.
Mahenya maya macokereirie guku bururi-ini mwaka wa 2019 thutha wa ihinda iraya, na mwaka bururi wa Kenya uratanya kwagirithia ona makiria mwago wa matereba na ona macambiki a muthako uyu.
This iconic showpiece has quickly risen to its full potential as a present and future global allied sporting event.
Among the key outputs of this year's rally is the launch of the Talanta Motorsport Academy. And we are looking forward to witnessing this academy become the breeding ground of the next big rallying stars from the Kenyan ecosystem.
With wonderful people, with the wonderful nature, with the variety of wildlife, wow, we can't get enough of it.
It is indeed a celebration of all that is good about the African motorsport and his ultimate test driver of a machine.
President oriti ya Kenya kuhuthira mweke uyu kwendia bururi kuri makiri ma ageni aria mekinyite macindano-ini maya maria megutabanio kwa ihinda ria thiku ithatu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Njihia.